Masquerade saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana Tanka Panino channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Masquerade Zimbabwe takigirai nyabuditswa. A faction of the Zimbabwe National Liberation or Veterans Association, Yabuda, story the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is their preferred successor. Wa President Emerson Mnangagwa avo vakuda kupedza his second and final term yekupera mugora 2028 nyaya yabuda mushure mekunge parikunzi pane several factions mu the Zimbabwe National Liberation or Veterans Association mushure mekunge yakasplita, so zirikunzi another faction iri within the ruling party ZANU-PF iri kutaura iyo ichiti varikuda Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is the successor wa President Emerson Mnangagwa. So this faction iri kutungamirirwa na Andres Ethan Matibela vakabuda vachi-expressa outrage over ma-comments akaitwa na biographer wa President Emerson Mnangagwa Eddie Cross wakabuda achiti Chiwenga will never be the president of Zimbabwe. So Matibela wakabuda during an interview yavakaita near Standard vachitaura vachiti Vice President Chiwenga is the deputy president, though the right candidate to overtake from President Emerson Mnangagwa. Akabuda achitaura achiti vakanzwa a few months ago na Eddie Cross achitaura achiti Constantino Chiwenga will not be able to succeed the president kana tenure yavo yapera. Achitaura vachiti they were surprised by this statement kuti Eddie Cross, an ex-Rodi anopindira pakai mu geopolitics dzenyika yeZimbabwe, akataura ivo vachiti is not even ranks the ruling party. So this information akaiwana kupi? We wonder kuti akawana kupi authority yekubuda achitaura achiti deputy president, someone in terms of hierarchy ne constitution ane the right candidate wekupinda mupower. The cross akataura kuti akwanisa kupinda mupower, say the Standard yakabuda ichiti Matibela akabuda vachiti we have heard few months ago the cross saying that the president Constantino Chiwenga, the vice president Constantino Chiwenga, will not be able to succeed the president upon the end of his tenure. The statement came as a surprise to us as war veterans because in the first place the cross is an ex-Rodi and do not see him, and I do not see him anywhere near the geopolitics of this country. He is not even in the rank and file of the ruling party, and we wonder as war veterans where he gets the locus standi to make such declarations. We wonder where he gets the authority to say that the deputy president of the party, someone who in terms of hierarchy and constitution of the party is the right candidate to ascend to the throne, will not ascend when the right time comes. Akaendera mberi Matibela achitaura iye achiti Vice President Constantino Chiwenga ndo vane ability yekurula this country since vane an untainted record. Buda vachiti all veterans are sure kuti politically Chiwenga is the right candidate. Vakabuda achitaura ivo vachiti all veterans, and we are sure the same goes for Zimbabweans. We are politically conscious. We are wondering who exactly underlies these dangerous assertions from a person like Eddie Cross. Chiwenga is one of our own who fought for this country. He is a decorated soldier who has the ability to rule this country. He is someone that we believe has the capacity to end the madness that is happening in this country, where people can sabotage an economy at will and walk scot-free. We believe this madness can be stopped by a trained cadet, because that cadet needs to have discipline installed in him. At training, we believe Chiwenga is that all. In the Ramberi, vachiti Vice President Constantino Chiwenga havana mascandals and nepotism and tribalism, making him the right person to succeed President Emerson Mnangagwa. Vakataura ivo vachiti there is nothing chiri fishy about Vice President Constantino Chiwenga havana scandals and skeletons in his cabinet. Since he is a straightforward soldier, since during his time in the army he was straightforward. Hapana kana nyaya nepotism dzakapinda, kana nyaya tribalism dzakabatwa nadzo muri Zimbabwe. Since nekuda kwekudaro he is the right person to succeed President Emmerson Mnangagwa. There is nothing amiss about him. He has no scandal and skeletons in his cabinet, and he had been during his time in the army a straightforward soldier. We would be very happy under his rule, as long as he does not harbor tribal tendencies, nepotism, and all the ills bedeviled this country in the past. He has the passion to see this country in a better place, and we believe that no Rhodesian can say anything regarding Chiwenga's ascendancy to the throne, or let alone condemn him as an unfit candidate. Where do those guards come from? We wonder. Those were Gabuda Shtaurwa. Our veterans achi-endorser Vice President Constantino Chiwenga as the right candidate to succeed President Emmerson Mnangagwa. So that faction iri kutungamirirwa na Christopher Mutsvangwa muri Zimbabwe. This faction is the one yakasupporta the coup yakabisa the late President Robert Mugabe mugore 2017. So zvironza pana umira mushe. Another faction iri kuti Vice President Constantino Chiwenga ndo vanokodzera kusucceeda vaMnangagwa. Another faction ichitaura ichiti Christopher Mutsvangwa anokwanisa kuita the right candidate. Zvakare tisingaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi taura kwatiri kuita President Emmerson Mnangagwa is pushing for the 2030 campaign. Pane rumors akawanda ari kubuda ekunzi pari kurongwa a coalition Citizens Coalition for Change. Zvakare citizens pane talks ari kuitwa naMnangagwa the Citizens Coalition for Change. Since they are now pushing for Mnangagwa apinde 2030. So Mnangagwa vari kutaura ivo vachiti their Citizens Coalition for Change party haisi ready for my elections at 2028, since they want to push them to 2030. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi yanetsa mubato reZANU-PF kuti ndiani achasucceed President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who exactly is the right candidate. And ufunga former military intelligence officer akabuda achitaura achiti the president is pushing for someone weku Midlands kuti succeed, since na Frederick Shava ndo mamwe candidates aripo na July moyo, since he wants them to succeed him, then achiguruma vana vake muri Zimbabwe. Tikezo munoona sei nyaya iyi tiudzewo zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.